So I just want to do a little update on this. I was curious to why the gas light doesn't come on this car for a while. If you can see here, my range is 19 miles. And as you notice, no gas light. The previous Accords, I think both of them came on around 32, I think. So I want to see when this actually comes on. And I know it's based on your driving, but 19 miles, I haven't seen a car that drops that low before the light even comes on. So I'll drive around and I'll see when it actually kicks on. But let me know in the comment section what you guys notice on yours. Like, when does the gas light come on this car? And now, again, it varies, I know, on your miles per gallon. If it has 2 gallons and you drive all highway, that's going to last a lot longer than me driving city. I know, but just share with me what you guys get before it comes on, so I have an idea of this is normal, that it's always like really low. I don't know. Just curious with that. So here the gas light finally came on. Okay, let me clear out of here and I'll show you the range. Okay. So 18. So it took a mile. So 19, now it's at 18. So not much. I was kind of surprised, and that's when the gas light comes on. Now, I've seen people that will run this and it'll say range 0 and they're still driving with it. So I know there's a little bit reserve pass there. I know it's not good to do, to run it low like that because of the fuel pump. But I wanted to just share that with you guys. It was interesting to me. So let me know you guys' thoughts on that. Okay? Of when your guys' gas light comes on this car. And as you can see, the gas prices getting crazy over here. Like I said, it's premium $4.95 already. It's got to hit $5. What do you guys pay in your area? I'm curious. I know California has some high gas prices, but can't really change that right now. So just want to share that with you guys. Hope everyone's doing good, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thanks, everybody.